How to record credit expenses in QuickBooks? Well, first of all, understand what exactly the credit expense is. So credit expense is an expense that in which you purchase something or you spend the money but you pay later. Like you agree with a supplier that you will be paying that specific amount of money in a future time, in 5 days, in 10 days, in 15 days, or even in 90 days. So you agreed that with the supplier. So how to record these transactions in QuickBooks? So first step is to head over to the QuickBooks and go to new and click on bill. So all the credit expenses will be recorded in this bill. Okay, so you have to select the supplier name first. If there is a supplier, then you have to add the, let's say just select a random supplier there. So add a bill date. It is basically the date on which you purchase something. So it could be like 1st January 2022. Okay, this is the date. So let's take over the first example. So let's say we purchase a laptop of $400 and with a promise of paying that expense, paying for that laptop in 15 days. So we can say that the purchase of the laptop will be written here over purchase of laptop for $400. The amount will be $400 and the category of laptop will be, you have to select the category, will be office stationery or office expenses. So it will be part of the office expenses or it could be part of the machinery, specific machinery. So that's it. You will click on save, head over to the save, and basically the transaction is being recorded. That's how you will record a bill transaction, the credit expense. So when you save the transaction, you click on the save, there will be option over there to make a payment. So as we also agreed that after 15 days we will be paying that sum, we will be paying that sum to that supplier. So we will click on the make payment there and add up the 15 days. So payment date will be 15th of January 2022. You will select the amount that is being paid and click on save and close. Okay, if you click on save and close, the payment will be recorded and the payment date will be added. Okay, so that's how you will make a payment and record a bill expenses in QuickBooks Online. So let's take another example. If we spend money on a cafe for a coffee for $45 and we agreed on paying for $45 and paying for a cafe, click on new and click on bill again, and this time we will select we will click on a supplier and then select a category for that. So in this case the category will be meals and entertainments, and then we will copy the description right from here and paste it right there and add $45 there. Just select the date. In this case the date is just 1st January. We are just selecting the random date right here and click on save. Or when you save the transaction, we have an option of making a payment. Click on make a payment and add a date there, which is after 5 days. So the date will be 6th of January 2022. That's it. You will click on save and close and a transaction will be recorded. So that's how you will record the credit expenses in QuickBooks.